Hello viewers, welcome back to another video. This one is going to be of Vroid. So a little while ago, I made a video explaining how to export Vroid models VRM to PMX. We go into that. And one of my viewers actually seemed to have noticed some small issue that correction, we didn't notice at the beginning. So it's basically where does the file would appear once you actually finish processing and converting the Vroid model to PMX. Here's how it's gonna go. You go over here to Documents. In one of those folders, you should be seeing one that would say Vroid. You go to there, and then just go for the PMX. The one that says avatars. You go inside that, and it should be the one that says export. Once you see there, you should be able to see the name of your character. So it will be, example, if it's named Alice, your model, then a file will appear with that name specifically, because that's going to be your model. Once you go here, you'll be seeing all of the textures, the actual PMX file itself, and it'll have some backup partially. In case if something's going wrong. Anyway, it's the same thing almost. For some reason, which I still don't know why at this moment, we actually have these 3 little segments. It's been doing that ever since it was obtained, so that's actually a little unknown. So another quick thing to add, when you hit the export button, it should be saying where it's going to be exported to, or better yet, where you save your Vroid model at the beginning. When you save it for the first time, it should be telling you to select a destination. You need to remember where, because if you don't, you're gonna have a very good time looking for it, without using the search bar. Yeah, because it's gonna be so useful that. But anyway, I'll be leaving this video for now. You can check the other videos and the ones that will lead to this one, as in the Vroid export, the VRM to PMX converters, and a few more in the link down below. And I'll be seeing you in the next video.